Hi, and welcome to the Good Food Baddie channel. I'm Capri Lilly, and today I'll be telling you everything you need to know about the Whole30 diet. The Whole30 diet is a diet that was created by sports nutritionist Melissa Hardwick. It is considered an elimination diet, and for 30 days, your diet consists of meat, eggs, seafood, vegetables, and fruit. You are to avoid and cannot have dairy, grains, anything with added sugar, soy, legumes, alcohol, processed foods, and MSG. The purpose of the diet is to give your body a hard reset and also to develop new, healthier relationship to food and teach mindful eating habits. The diet also aims to help rid any negative psychological associations with food, like eating when you're bored or eating when you're sad. It also helps reduce your cravings and giving in to those cravings. Other improvements in the diet are improvements in your quality of sleep, your mood, your energy, your mental clarity, your attention span, your skin, and your digestive system. Other benefits that you may not even realize are that you develop new skills, have a healthier relationship with food. You also are more knowledgeable about nutrition. You're better able to read food labels so you can tell what foods are good for you opposed to foods that are bad. You also are more in tune with your body and listen a lot more. So after the 30 days, you reintroduce foods to your diet and see how your body responds. You wait about a 3 to 5 day span before reintroducing a new food group to give your body time to adjust and also to see the effects it has on your body. This is the part where you become more in tune with your body and are better able to tell which foods your body agrees with and those that it does not. This is a great way to determine if you have any food sensitivities. Some aspects of the diet that many people find strange are that you're not to weigh yourself while you're on this diet. The purpose of the diet is not to lose weight, although some people tend to see rewarding results in this area. And secondly, some people find it strange that you can't create healthy takes on bad foods, like paleo brownies or cauliflower crust pizza. That's because the aim of the diet is to rid you of your psychological attachments to food, and if you continue to keep the same eating habits and eat the same foods as you did prior to the diet, you can't break yourself of those habits, even if the meal is Whole30 compliant. So the do's and the don'ts of the Whole30 diet are very simple. You can have all meats, eggs, fruits, and vegetables, except for lima beans and peas, which are considered legumes, and corns, which is considered a grain. You can have any type of healthy fat you like avocados, avocado oil, extra virgin olive oil, clarified butter, or ghee. All of that is perfectly fine. I would say some things that I've enjoyed while being on the diet are cacao, because I'm a chocolate lover, and cacao is super nutrient rich and a pure form of chocolate. You can have kombucha, but just make sure to read the label and make sure it doesn't have sugar in it. You can have coconut waters, again, as long as it does not have sugar. Almond milk and coconut milk, as long as it does not have sugar. You can even make your own recipe at home if it's easier for you. You can also have things like nuts, so almonds and cashews. Those are great snacks to have. You can have all of these healthy snacks that help you and make the journey a bit easier. So far, the diet has been challenging but very rewarding. If you're considering doing this diet, just know that the first week is the hardest, so be prepared. Go to the grocery store, pick up everything you need, and get rid of things in your home that are processed, have sugars, and are not compliant with the diet to rid yourself of any temptation. Also, spend some time in the kitchen and meal prep. You definitely want to have some meals handy during the first week and have some snacks that are Whole30 compliant that you can have. I felt like on my first week, I was hungry every 2 hours. I would have these huge meals with all fruits and vegetables, and they would be really filling at the moment, but about 2 to 3 hours later, I was starving. And this is actually completely normal. What's happening is our body is used to having sugars as its primary fuel source, and as we completely cut back on our sugar and now are introducing all these healthy fats into our diet, our body is readjusting and now using the healthy fats as its primary fuel source, which is great. I'm currently on day 13, so I'm close to halfway finished with the diet, and I can say that by this point it's become more routine, it's become easier, but I will say day 10 and 11 were the hardest. It's actually very funny because on those days I was craving pizza and wanted pizza and wine so bad. I actually was this close to almost giving in to my cravings. Day 10 and 11 can be quite hard, but as soon as you get over that hump, I will say it's pretty easy. I haven't given in yet, and I'm still going, so if I can do it, you can definitely do it too. I made it thus far, and I can say that I have more energy, have been feeling more clear-headed, and I genuinely feel great. I think this diet is great, and I completely recommend trying it if you're interested. So if you're interested in completing this diet and looking for recipes to start with, link below in my bio are recipes and tutorials that are super easy to follow and the meals are easy to recreate. And you can also check out my website for tons of videos and tips to help make your Whole30 journey successful. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. And also, if you'd like to see more videos similar to this, hit the subscribe button below. I post videos weekly and I hope to see you again soon. Until next time.